East Bengal club have entered in the final. And any special preparation for the final? Any special motivation for the final?
Today we think about today's game. We finished today's game, now we start planning for the next game. Right now we don't know what the plan is. We have 2-3 days of training. We plan in those and then we go to the next match hopefully with a lot of motivation. And of course this is something that we have to do for the supporters after the Durand Cup. So everybody here is hungry. Players, supporters, organization. So hopefully we can give them something.
Well, East Bengal might be playing with the arch rival Mohun Bagan. Have you ever?
Every game for me is a good game. You know, it's a final. It's not only a final. It's more than that. So let's see. Going to the final, we expect to see you guys all at the final, and you know, just be the 12th man as we know. You know, I've been seeing in every game that you guys support us as much as you can, and hopefully we'll be able to support you on the field as much as we can.
Thank you. এবং এবছর সব ঠিকঠাক থাকলে মোহনবাগান যদি আগামী কাল ইউনাইটেড এসসির সঙ্গে ম্যাচ ড্রও করে, জিতলে তো কথাই নেই, ম্যাচ যদি ড্র করে তাহলে কিন্তু ফাইনালে যাচ্ছে। শিল্ডে কিন্তু কলকাতা ডার্বি। আমরা আশা করি আপনারা এসএসসিএন সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন।